Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and thank you for joining me today for another tutorial. We're going to be using our Thistle stamp today and stamping with our VersaFine Claire. This is Twilight and we've got Nocturne. Also going to be using two of our lovely colours from Brusho. So we've got a yellow and a blue here. And we're also using one of our Wow embossing powders. This is the bright white. So we've got our Multifarious card and I'm going to get started. So we've got Twilight first. And I'm going to take off that first stamp and then let's just pop that one down. Then the next one I'm not going to take any off. And this is just about layering colour to give you depth. And then lastly I'm going to use the Nocturne. Little there as well, just to finish that corner off. So next thing we're going to do is grab our two Brushos and our bottle of water and we're going to start just shaking that over the top. I'm going to put a little bit of Prussian blue, not a lot because that's quite a dark colour. And then spritzing what we've got. Now I'm just using a little bit of kitchen roll just to dab up any of the excess, and then we're going to dry it off. We need to make sure that it is completely dry because we're going to emboss over the top, and if your ink is still wet then the embossing powder is going to stick to it and that's not what we want, so just make sure it is completely dry. So the next thing we're going to use is the Versamark, which is kind of like a glue for the embossing powders. Actually, before that I'm going to give this a quick going over with the anti-static bag just to make sure that the embossing powder sticks to exactly where I want it. Give that a good press. And then let's take our opaque bright white and pop that over the top. Tap off. It's stuck pretty much where I want it to, so that's fine. And now let's go back to our heat gun and just set this image now. And there it is. And now we'll move on to our worded stamp. So I've got here, art is a story waiting to be told. And we're going to stamp that down that edge here. just repeating that verse down the side. There we go, all the way down. And now, taking the stencil brush, I'm going to just bring in a little bit of depth of colour down at the bottom and around the edge. So just gently work your way around. Like so. And now I've got a Posca pen here. This is our orange, and all I'm going to do is just dot a little bit of this colour. And lastly, our glue pen. Most of us like a little bit of glitter, don't we? So there we go. What colour shall we have? This is quite a nice one, the mermaid blue. I think this will go well with the colours that we've chosen today. There we go. Let's pop that back in. This is our Eco Glitter. It's a fabulous glitter. We've got 3 different grades in there. I'll just show you. So we've got like a really coarse green, a really fine dark blue, and a beautiful sort of medium turquoise. And I think they work so great together. And there we have our finished piece. And I hope that you've enjoyed watching today's demo, guys. And I hope that it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. Thank you so much for joining me today. You take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.